Hey guys, PepperAmmy here, back to cooking and finally feeling slightly better. Now this week we are taking a look at a nice healthy one-pot meal, which is chicken with asparagus, cherry tomatoes, and a vinaigrette reduction. Now I know this sounds kind of fancy, but this is super easy to make, and it is a one-pot meal only. And hopefully going on, there's going to be at least one video per month of a nice, simple, healthy meal. Now, this channel hasn't exactly had a good running with healthy stuff. For start off, the Junkertown burger springs to mind. But anyway, I want to try and get some more healthier foods on this channel. Now, for the ingredient list, you will need 60 ml of balsamic vinegar, 60 ml of olive oil and a bit extra for cooking, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, between 1 and 3 cloves of garlic, depending on how garlicky you like your stuff, and then just simply crush those and slice them up. Now, for the meat, we want chicken breasts. Now, you can cut up your chicken breast into nice cubes, or better still, if you can get hold of chicken breast tenders, these cook up really nice, and it's good to have a nice, good sized bit of chicken on the plate. 1 bundle of asparagus, 1 500-gram pack of cherry tomatoes, salt and pepper for seasoning. Now, if you want to add a little bit of an extra flavour to this, you can use flavoured salt, as I've recently found flavoured salt is absolutely amazing, and I've got some beautiful oak smoked salt as well. And optionally, you can add a pinch or 2 of mild chili flakes. Now to start, prepare your vinaigrette by combining your balsamic vinegar, olive oil, mustard, honey and garlic, along with your chili flakes if you are using, in a bowl, and then whisk to combine and set aside to let the garlic infuse through that. Next, prepare your tomatoes and asparagus by giving them a good wash, and then simply half your tomatoes and trim the wooden ends off of your asparagus and then cut in half. And then set those aside. Now for the meat, prepare a large frying pan or skillet with a dash of oil over medium heat, and then place your chicken and season with salt and pepper. Now you want to cook this until it is golden. Around 3 minutes on each side should be fine, but you can always sacrifice a bit of chicken just to make sure there is no pink bits running through. And then, once again, remove and set aside, but keeping the juices in the pan. And then add your tomatoes and asparagus to the pan. Cook for around 5 minutes until the tomatoes have softened and the asparagus has become a bit brighter. Then make some space in your pan and add the chicken back. Then simply pour over your vinaigrette, give a good mix and make sure everything is coated, and cook for a further 5 minutes. Now, it's done roughly when the vinaigrette has thickened until a consistency you like. You can taste this as you go, but as a note, the vinaigrette will be very acidic at the start, but the acidity will cook out as this goes through. And then simply plate and serve. Now, you can eat this as a meal on its own, or you can do what I did and just serve it with some nice plain white fluffy rice. And that is it. A really simple, nice and healthy meal. Really doesn't take too long to prepare. And I can definitely see myself making this for future dinners. Now, it is great to be back on YouTube. I hope you guys have enjoyed the videos. If you did, let me know down below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all again next week.